Making a shopping list, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a very practical aspect of everyday English, making a shopping list. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English skills, understanding these everyday phrases can be incredibly useful. So, let's get started and explore how to make a shopping list, what it involves, and why it's important. When we say, make a shopping list, we are talking about the process of writing down a list of items that you need to buy. It's a simple yet effective way to organize your shopping, ensuring that you remember to buy everything you need. Whether it's for groceries, clothes, or any other essentials. Making a list can help you save time, stay organized, and even stick to a budget by avoiding impulse purchases. A shopping list typically includes the names of items you need to buy, like milk, bread, or apples. Quantities of each item, which helps you buy just enough of what you need. Sometimes, specific details like brands, sizes, or types, to ensure you get exactly what you're looking for. Creating a detailed list can make your shopping trip more efficient and prevent you from forgetting important items. Making a shopping list is straightforward. Here's a simple guide. 1. Choose your format. You can write your list on paper, in a notebook, or use a digital app on your phone. 2. Walk through your home. Check your kitchen, bathroom, and other areas to see what you're running out of. 3. Think about your needs for the week. Plan your meals and activities to know what you'll need. 4. Write down the items, including quantities and any specific brands or types you prefer. 5. Organize your list by categories, like dairy, vegetables, household items, to make your shopping trip smoother. Update your list regularly. Add items as soon as you notice you're running low. Keep your list accessible. Whether it's on your fridge or on your phone, make sure you can add to it easily. Check off items as you go. This helps ensure you don't forget anything while you're at the store. Making a shopping list is a simple but powerful tool to enhance your daily life, helping you stay organized and efficient. We hope this video has helped you understand how to make and use shopping lists in English. Happy shopping, and see you in our next lesson.